Kali ini saya bikin lagi video tentang jalan-jalan karena saya ingin menghormati Jasper Canada yang barusan kebakaran. Tempat ini sangat bagus, natural beauty. Orang-orang datang ke sini untuk melihat Rocky and Jasper National Park. Tempat ini di mana binatang-binatang masih hidup seperti di alam dan kita masih bisa melihatnya kalau kita cukup beruntung. Jasper Park ini sangat-sangat berkesan bagi saya karena sangat-sangat cantik. Tapi sayangnya sekarang sudah terbakar. Untuk menghormati Jasper Park ini, saya ingin bikin video ini untuk melihat keadaan dia sebelum dia terbakar. Saya tidak akan mute suara-suara yang ada di video, biarkanlah semua seperti natural. And then ini kita sekarang ada di atas Jasper Park, lagi mau turun.
With Skytrain, it's 2 people in a room. But I think if you're with Pursuit, Pursuit's a big company that's like buying everything here. So like, they work out in the Lake. They run that, and then I think they do a bunch of other random stuff.
Much of a full Banks fan? Banks an athlete?
I don't know. I was at the B this Sunday, where I was just kind of at a pool table playing pool.
You're a regular then?
Yeah, I'm more of a Legion guy, and then Earl is pretty good.
What are you doing after the summer?
After summer, I'm going to Lindsay, Ontario to studying plastic things. Yeah. Nice. Instead of writing essays, just blow stuff up. I like that.
Hi.
Hi again.
Got it?
Got it. Kita sekarang ke hotel dulu. Ini pemandangan dari hotel kita, bagus, dan kita sedang menikmati lagu, melihatin pemandangan. Dimana kalau musim summer pun masih sangat dingin. Sekarang kita mau pergi ke Spirit Island di Malin Lake.
He was an Indigenous man, and he drew her a map on how to find the lake. So she set out for round 2 with her crew, and this time they found the lake. One of her mountain guides, his name was Sid Unwin, he said, you know, I don't know if we're close, so I'm going to climb a mountain.
I think I put it on Pano. Yeah, I'm here to take photos. We do. We love them.
Are you like in Spirit Island?
We have them at home in England.
I like except the
It's
toilet.
slow gin. She makes gin. Gin and tonic. She's suffering gin and tonic. There's a big bit of ice over there. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. You get a few to choose from there. Yeah, we can paddle another 8 kilometers.
Saya cukup beruntung, saya melihat beruang dan 2 anaknya sedang jalan-jalan di Jasper Park.
Well, hello there. So we are in Jasper and near Moline Lake, and which spot is this? And so we're taking a look at all the places that were damaged by the fire. See all the burned out trees, and even an island out there burnt up. Look at you, beautiful. It is. We're just past Medicine Lake, and the sun is starting to go down a little bit from the clouds. Beautiful creek. No idea what the name of this creek is, so we'll call it Grace Creek.
Have so many white rose. That's white rose.
Wild rose. We are in wild rose country. Alberta is famous for its wild roses. And here's this beautiful lady.
Oh my god. Saya tidak begitu motong video-video yang ini karena saya biarin lumayan alami aja biar orang-orang bisa melihat dari raw video bentuk Jasper bagaimana. Itu suara saya ketika saya lihat another bear. Beruntung banget, terus ada lagi satu brown bear menyeberang di depan mobil aku. Jadi kayak hari itu ketemu entah berapa banyak bear. Tapi sayangnya tempat-tempat yang cantik ini sudah tidak ada karena sudah terbakar kemarin atau beberapa jam yang lalu. Semoga semua binatang bisa selamat dari kebakaran itu. Kalau ini sih sudah bukan Jasper, ini ada di Sea to Sky Gondola di Vancouver, di British Columbia. Kita lagi menuju ke atas gunung dan melihat pemandangan yang indah. Hi everyone, we are in the morning of the Vancouver. It's a bit raining. We are in Suspension Street, which is we are the first persons here, and there's not much people here, so you can look at that right.
We are the first ones on the bridge this morning. It is Sunday, July 14th. Not sure. I'm gonna go down this way. view from the bridge. You feel it shaking because people are starting to come down now.
Bye-bye.
If you look in front of you from left to right, all that trees from left to right, that's all Stanley Park with the bridge going right between it. And if you look to the bottom of your right, and also at the bottom of your left, at the bottom you'll see people walking it, and that's the seawall. Now the seawall, also you can run it, and of course you can bike it, and it wraps right around from the entrance of the Stanley Park near Cole Harbor, all the way.
We're in Lake Louiski. God, so pretty. This is all my second experience, but I still really like it.
Probably the most beautiful place on earth. So this is another ski hill. All the gondolas are ski hills, and so below us you can see, actually the grass is really grown in quite well. So across from us we can see the open chair lift, which is what we will take when we go to the Grizzly Bear Refuge.